I like to use Procreate to work on all sorts of projects. I love to sketch my hand-painted murals in here, and during the past years I have done a ton of botanical assets that I have been using on my patterns and illustrations. I love to keep my files organized in groups, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to do this in case you want to start organizing your gallery as you work in Procreate. When you open Procreate, this gallery is the first thing that you will see, and it will be empty if it's your first time using the app. To organize or move one of your files, you have to touch and hold it, move it and drop it wherever you want it to be. When you want to move 2 or more files, you will have to tap on the Select word from the top menu, tap on the artworks that you want to choose, and you'll see this blue check appear on the ones that are selected, and move them across your gallery. To exit this mode, tap on the X symbol here on the top right side of the screen. If you swipe left on top of an artwork, you will see this pop-up menu appear, and you can share, duplicate, or delete an artwork. If you wish to rename it, then you will have to tap on its name, change the title, and press enter when you want to exit. And if you want to preview an artwork, you can spread your fingers on top of it, swipe left and right to flick through the gallery. If you want to open it, double tap on it and you will see the window change. To go back to the gallery, I'll have to tap on the gallery word on the top left of the screen. As I said earlier, I tend to vary my style quite a lot when working on different projects and different clients, so that's why I like to keep my files grouped in folders. I'm going to show you how to do this in case you want to organize your files as well. I will tap on Select from the top menu and tap on these 2 artworks to select them. You will see that when 2 or more artworks are selected, the top menu changes. Now I can stack, preview, share, duplicate, or delete these artworks at the same time. I'll tap on Stack, and now the artworks will appear within a group. To enter a folder, tap on it, and to go to the main gallery, tap on the word located at the top left of the screen. If you want to add a new artwork to the folder, touch and hold it, place it on top of the group that you want to put it into, and when you enter the group, drop it there. If you want to take an artwork out of the stack, you will have to touch and hold the artwork, drag it to the top left corner, and once you are in the main gallery, drop it there. You can select various artworks at the same time and move them in and out of the stack or folder following the same steps. Have in mind that the gesture of swiping left also works with folders, and if you want to rename it, you will have to tap on top of its title and give it a name in there. And that's it for the Welcome Gallery. This tutorial is part of my online class, Digital Illustration, a beginner's guide to mastering Procreate. In this class, I will teach you how to use Procreate from the very beginning, and we will explore each tool in depth. Whilst creating a simple set of botanical assets, you will get to practice the drawing and painting tools. I will teach you different ways to select colors, how to organize your layers, tricks to modify your brushes so that you can draw easily, how to use the symmetry tool to create stunning flowers, and towards the end of the class, I will show you how to use advanced transforming tools to create an infinite number of stunning plants. If you want to take this class, you can use the code listed on the description of this video. Use it and you will be able to access thousands of Skillshare classes for free for 30 days. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to So Creative's channel.